ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar over the course of this week has stabbed at 77.50, dropped away, retested it, dropped away, bounces off that 75.95 region or demand came in front of that, and then rallies on back to 77 cents. Now what should be noted is the fact that above this level, market doesn't seem to have the sustainability to move beyond here. Now from the failed attempt over the last couple of hours, the market has turned back towards the downside. They're currently holding support at 76.55. Beneath that I hold the key, or should I say the key level holds at 75.95. A break of this level would expose further weakness to the downside and look towards an objective of 74 cents. The technicals aren't extremely supportive of this move down, but I would view that if we get this weakness towards that 75.95 support, then we should find that this market should find the technicals to start swaying for further view down. As I mentioned, upside should still cap around 77.5. Well, the euro unexpectedly again comes back with a very strong bullish advance. It broke above that 113.10-15 level, however contained at the moment at 113.60-65. And you can see here from that region, the market is now showing a mild retreat, and also we are currently in a negative stance. On the day, I expect to see a move towards 112.85.90, and a break there would actually reopen towards 111.65.70. Now, if we get a close above 113.60-65 New York tomorrow morning, that would give further scope for a rise back to retest the Brexit highs around 114.05.30. But at this stage, if the hourlies are true to their nature and we do get a further breakdown, then as I say, a break of 12.85.90 would convince the bears to regroup and see a further push down. Well, dollar yen, as you can see here, towards that 99.40.60 support, the bulls have continued to defend this region, and now currently in a mild bullish advance. I'm looking for a rise up towards 165, but however towards 195 to 101.15 should again find heavy supply returning. Conversely to this, if we see a move back underneath 100 and 99.60.40.60 is challenged, then we could hold an objective towards 98.60. But at this stage, I still feel demand is underneath that 100 level, and it will continue at the moment. Well, sterling has pretty much matched the euro and advances very aggressively overnight. And at the moment currently holds to a bullish stance from the break above 131.20.30 level. You can see here at the moment there is a mild uptrend here with support seen as a short-term platform at 130.80. On the day, I expect to see the resistance hold out around 131.80, but a break there would actually see a further rise, and currently holding to an objective around 133.60 since the recent break earlier in the week above 131. Do note, however, if we get a move back under 131.20, that would actually see further weakness back towards 130.45. So my view isn't very strong on the bearish side. However, with this pattern increasing to the upside, we must take note that we have broke above levels that actually confirm a rally higher. So at this stage, I will hold my view towards 133.60, unless we get a break beneath that 130.45. Well, gold, no surprise, good resistance still maintaining around 1,356 to 58, and again another rejection puts the phase back into a negative outlook for the next 24 hours. Currently support holding at 46, could see a weakness down towards 36, with the platform holding at 1328. Now, as I've mentioned before, underneath that 1328 holds a bullish fortress at 1300. Even if the market does actually grind higher and breaks above 58, you can see that the resistance at 1366 to 68 is just as strong. So I feel that we are getting a bit of a sort of a ceiling coming here now, and the risk in the next 24 or into next week could be back to that 28 level. And to wrap up with oil, well, no surprise, the bulls still continue and achieve its target of 48.5. Now, we are overbought, and I do expect to see a pullback in the next 24 hours. However, saying that, we shouldn't disregard any advances up towards 49.20 to 50.55 to 50.80 level, back to these highs seen a couple of weeks ago. However, I don't believe the market has enough momentum to sustain. Reason why is we are overbought. So I'm looking for a pullback towards a short-term objective that holds around $47.25 and a little bit lower at $46.50 and reassess from there. Well, that's a wrap for this week. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a great day and enjoy the weekend that's about to come.